Welcome to the TokenClan channel. I'm Charlie. In today's video, I'll be going through one of the DeFi projects in HecoChain. If you do not know what HecoChain is, please refer to my previous video where I touched upon HecoChain, which is a blockchain that is developed by CAPI, a crypto exchange. In this video, we will be focusing on one of its decentralized application on HecoChain, which is MDEX. It is a DEX protocol. It is a DEX application. So as you can see from the screen here, MDEX under the Heco section, you can find it on defibox.com. This is where you come and look at all the dApps for HecoChain. And in this case, we are looking at MDEX. But before we go further into what MDEX is and its growth potential, I would like to share with you that we are having a giveaway contest right now where we will be giving away a copy of our book, Crypto Assets for Passive Income, an online video course of the similar title, and a $20 worth of Bitcoin. We base on our sharing on this book where we share a little bit of a background of the book is that based on the book's core principles and strategies, we are able to grow crypto portfolio of $29,000 in 2018 during the crypto winter period up to about $2 million worth of crypto assets as of 2021. If you wish to participate in the giveaway contest, please go to the link in the description box down below and sign up. For more of such videos that we have, please subscribe to our TokenClan channel, leave a like and comment in the box down below. Without further ado, let's get started. Now we are at defibox.com where it lists down all the HecoChain's decentralized application that is developed on the chain itself. We have MDEX, so MDEX here, and if we go to MDEX, their main website, so this is a MDEX main website. But before we go into the various features of this website, we want to go through its white paper, what MDEX is all about. If we go to the Medium article where MDEX has written its economic white paper, we will go through each section. What is MDEX? MDEX is a AMM or automatic market making decentralized exchange based on this concept of fund pools, and it proposes and implements this mixed chain DEX model based on HecoChain and Ethereum. What they want to do is they want to combine the advantages of these low transaction fees of the HecoChain and the prosperity of the Ethereum ecosystem. And they have this special feature which is called the dual mining mechanism, where crypto investors are able to earn rewards through liquidity mining and transaction mining. MDEX is committed to building this DeFi platform to integrate the DEX, what they call as IMO, which is a similar model to the ICO in Ethereum. It's like a fundraising type of model to bring projects up. And DAO on Heco and Ethereum, they want to provide users with this safer, more reliable asset selection configuration and expect higher return on investment. This is what is MDEX in short. And if we go to its token economics, is they have about 1 billion supply cap in terms of the number of tokens, and their block time is every 3 seconds, and each block is 80 MDX per block, so 80 MDX token per block. Their halving of these block rewards will be every 6 months. MDEX is launched on January 2021. So after 6 months, it should be about July where the halving will occur. And if we go to its economic model in terms of how the MDX token is being segregated into different parts for different purposes. In this case, 1 billion supply, 10% used for team reward for operation and development, unlocked in 24 months after being launched by smart contracts. So you can see that if they have this mechanism in place, meaning to say that they are in for the long term, they want this project to be long term and it's not like a fly by night or a rug pull by them, hopefully. And 7% used as early investors share to provide more funds and resources, 3% used for this market promotion, brand building, and the rest of the 80% will be for liquidity mining and transaction mining on Heco. This is their unique feature that they are offering. As for fee-wise, both liquidity mining and transaction mining, the platform charges 0.3% of the transaction fee. And how the breakdown of this 0.3% of the transaction fee is being distributed is like this, where 0.1% will be used to promote the development of their ecological projects in terms of this under the Heco ecosystem. The various projects, they want to create like a fund pool to assist other projects. And 0.14% will be used to reward these mining users, and 0.06% to repurchase and destroy the MDX. There is this repurchasing and burning or destroying of MDX, which is like a deflationary measure. And MDX application scenarios. So one thing is that they not only represent the rights of the holders, but also its practical application value used in the following scenarios. They have this governance token. It acts as a governance token, community-led decentralized project, voting on transaction fees, review of other important rules, and decision to achieve deflation. And all that is all being written here, which you can go through. And one thing I want to point out again, which is they have this deflationary measure where they will take a part of the transaction fees to repurchase MDX and burn it. And MDX is also acting as a standard fundraising token, something that is similar to how they use Ethereum to do ICOs on the Ethereum platform. MDX is also planning to have their own this type of a fundraising feature for projects. Okay, right now we shall go into MDX.com, their main application, which is this. You can see this is their main page where they have like an overview of MDX, and we shall go through each feature one by one. One of the key features of being a DEX or decentralized exchange is that you can swap, meaning to say you can buy and sell your tokens here. If you go to swap, this is the place where you can do your swapping. First off, in order to perform activities on MDEX itself, you need to connect your wallet. In this case, most of the time for me, I'll be using a ledger connected through MetaMask. MetaMask is the linking agent or linking medium to link my hardware wallet to MDEX, and that is how I will be able to interact with this MDEX interface or their application. And this is a place where you do your swapping. Up next is pool. So for pool, it's also kind of straightforward, where you provide liquidity. Where you go to is add liquidity, and you can add your pair, your liquidity pair here. And the next part is liquidity mining. This is a part where after you have provided your tokens to the liquidity pool, you will receive the LP tokens. And from LP tokens, you can stake your LP tokens in this liquidity for liquidity mining. And here you will earn your rewards. Up next is trading. For trading here, this is just like a kind of an overview or a tracker in terms of what are the pairs have you traded. And they will record your transactions here, and they'll pay you your transactional mining rewards. Because under transaction mining, where users who participate in transactions can get rewards of MDEX governance token, which is MDX. If you have done your transactions or your swapping through MDEX itself, you will earn rewards here, and it will be reflected here. And of course, this is the summary or the total. And once you have a sizable amount here, you can withdraw your reward to your wallet. Up next is boardroom. Boardroom is like a special place for MDEX holders where they can enjoy these long-term benefits and governance rights. And in this case, the pools here, or the liquidity mining pools here, are quite attractive in terms of the APY. And you can see most of the pairs here, in fact all the pairs here, involve MDX, which is the native token of MDEX. They will encourage you to own MDX and add liquidity and get the LP tokens to stake here for higher rewards. This is the purpose of the boardroom, and of course they have this reward pool. Just a quick introduction is that the 0.14 of the 0.3 transaction fees charged will be used as these rewards that will be distributed by this boardroom reward pool on the MDEX platform. And these are the pairs that is to be involved where they will receive the rewards. This is where you stake it here. And of course, they have these deflationary measures where they will repurchase using the transaction fees that they have received to purchase MDX and burn them. Next will be chart. For charts is like an analytics for MDEX. You can see that the current liquidity of MDEX is, as of now, is 2.2 billion with a 2.14 billion as a 24-hour transaction volume. There's a lot more data here which I shall not go through. You can go through it on your own. I have gone through most of MDEX current features so far and what MDEX is all about. Up next, we shall compare MDEX to other current DEX players out there. If we go to coinmarketcap.com and we go under exchanges and DEX, we will arrive at this page. If you can see straight away, MDEX is at the number 1 spot where it holds about 45.05% of the market share, as compared to long-time players such as UniSwap, PancakeSwap and SushiSwap. This is a very sizable market share and it's just launched in January 2021. And if we go back to DeFi box and we go under all public section and we choose DEX, you will see that in terms of TVL log, other than the top players with SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, which is under BSC, Sushi and UniSwap are under Ethereum, they have about 4 billion. And you can see that MDEX here is at 2 billion and it's playing the catch-up game. But what I can see here is that due to the attraction of the current bull market and the high yield of the DeFi space has led to this euphoria of the DEX since for the past few months. And one thing to note is that for the Ethereum space, the increasingly high gas fee has created this spillover effect in the market that has allowed non-Ethereum blockchain projects such as these MDEX and PancakeSwap, which is under the HecoChain and Binance Smart Chain respectively, to grow at a tremendous rate. If you have noticed that Binance Smart Chain itself, most of the projects has grown quite tremendously in terms of valuation, and also the interest in Binance Smart Chain has been increasing at an alarming rate. A very simple data that you can look at is if you go to Binance Smart Chain, the BSC scan or an Ethereum scan, if you go and check out their transaction volume, you will see that in terms of for Heco and BSC, it has already surpassed Ethereum in terms of the transaction performed. And coming back to MDEX, its potential growth is that because of its, in my own opinion, due to its very unique user incentive mechanism of this liquidity mining and transaction mining to reward its users, coupled together with a relatively low transaction cost, about maybe 0.1 cent, and many other benefits that users can gain through using MDEX on HecoChain itself. These serve as a distinctive advantages for MDEX that can lead to its fast growth. Definitely all these key features and advantages it has over Ethereum will put it in good place for higher growth when the bull market goes into full cycle, and I believe that might happen in the near future. But that is my opinion for now. Like always, for any DeFi projects or any crypto projects out there, please do your own research. Research deeply into the points that I have discussed or shared with you today. Look through them and discover for yourself whether this is one DeFi project, whether you should be participating or not. With that, I hope you have enjoyed my sharing. If you like what I've shared today, please leave a like in this video, comment in the box down below, and subscribe to our TokenClan channel. And not forgetting to participate in our giveaway contest, where we will be giving away a copy of our Crypto Assets for Passive Income book, an online video course of the same title, and a $20 worth of Bitcoin. The links are in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.